This is a 2009 F150 with a 4.6 engine code W. So this is a 2-valve. I was getting major coolant loss from this area. This was the thermostat. And this is a known problem on the 4.6 with the aluminum crossover that goes onto, that connects the head to this head. The intake's plastic, the crossover is aluminum. Anyhow, I thought I might have caught a break because this is a $400 part to replace. So the head gas, or the intake gasket, which is right here, was broken. You can see the plastic piece is missing right here, and that's where all the coolant was leaking out. So I thought maybe just the head gasket broke, but alas, here is the intake. Here the intake, the plastic that the crossover, the O-rings are recessed into, these break and it causes the rubber gasket to bulge out, and that's what's caused my leakage. This one here broke too. This is where the leak was. So here you can see the O-ring has popped out of its recess. So that's just pouring coolant. So here's the deal with these 4.6 guys. It's weird. I was having coolant leaking out of my bell housing, and I've never experienced anything like that. So the leak was occurring here. It was pouring down into the valley in front, and it was also running along the valve cover, and it filled my spark plug holes with coolant, which a lot of you guys get that fault, and that is why. It's because you're dripping antifreeze. So that runs down into the valley. This is your lifter valley, and there is a hole back there that drains excess. So the coolant leaks down between your engine and your transmission, and it's confusing unless you know how these are designed, I guess. This leakage here was from where I pulled the intake off, because there's a water jacket back there. So, okay, that's my job right now. I am going to be replacing the intake and hope that this fixes my truck.